How to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix WhatsApp's contact name not showing up. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing up, what you have to do is just go ahead and currently I'll show you the issue. Now I'm trying to blur my numbers, so currently I have some of the personal numbers of my friends and so on, so I'm basically going to blur this. But currently you can also see that there aren't the names showing up, there are only numbers. So why does this happen in the first place? This happens due to only one thing, and that is when the WhatsApp app is lacking contact permission. You have not given the permission for WhatsApp to access your contacts. So what you have to do is first of all close WhatsApp over here. Once you close WhatsApp, open up the settings application, and once you open the settings application, go to the option called apps, and once you go to apps, here you simply want to search for WhatsApp. So just go ahead and search for WhatsApp on the list of these applications over here, and right over here at the top you'll find a button that says permissions. So just tap on the permissions button. As soon as you tap on the permissions button over here, you'll find allowed and not allowed. So I have allowed the camera microphone access, but you can see the option called the contacts is not here. So scroll down and you'll find not allowed, and you can see contacts. So just tap on contacts and make sure to allow the contacts permission over here. As you can see, once I allow the contacts permission, now most likely if I go ahead and then open up the WhatsApp application, the name is actually going to be showed up. So it's still like this, but let me refresh it a couple of times. Most likely it is going to show up with names. So if it doesn't work, just try refreshing and relaunching the WhatsApp application a couple of times to see if that fixes the issue. And now you can see it has been transitioned to name, and that's all it takes to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing up. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.